Now you have learned the first element of art, that is line. So we will do like we will make a design using the lines. So what we are going to make is this drawing, this or this or this you can make. It's up to you which design you need. So 3 designs are there. You can choose any of this. The basic grid is same, but the design what you're filling is 3 different designs. I will show you all 3 designs and you follow what I do. For making this design, what you need is a compass, of course an A4 size paper, a scale and a black pen. It can be either thin or thick. Okay, so let's start. First take a 5 centimeter on your compass. And find the middle of the paper. You know how to find it. Don't fold the paper where you are drawing. You can take another A4 size paper. Another A4 size paper, rough sheet. Fold it into half and again half. And just keep it in that corner, one corner. And see where the middle part comes. Put a dot over there. So that is the middle of the paper. Then take the 5 centimeter, check it once more when you are drawing, and keep the compass in the middle of that and draw the circle very lightly. You might see the dark circle here, but you try to make it lighter. This pencil, this will be with the pencil. Now remove this pencil and put a pen over here. After putting a black pen on the compass, check once more it is 5 centimeter. And then you can use it. Okay, now keep the compass on somewhere on the circle and draw a circle there. Okay, this circle we will be rubbing it off. No need of that circle. That's why I'm telling you to make it with a pencil and very lightly you need to draw. Next, this point you will take as the center and draw another circle. Okay, now here for drawing this you can use a thicker pen, and for drawing the designs you can use a thinner pen. Okay, see now you got this. Now we need more circles. So what we will do, we will draw a line from the center to one of the bigger petal here. No, just take this point and the center and draw a line here. That will be with the pencil only. Now keep that as the center and draw another circle. You will use this as the center now and draw another circle. Here this will be the alternate lines. try to put the compass on the point where the pencil circle and intersect that circle line. Now we need more circles in this. Now how will you make that? Now you will take your pencil and scale and see the biggest petal here. Draw a line in the middle of that. 1 and 2. For the previous one we made only 1. For this one you need 2. Okay. Now again you will keep this as the middle and draw the circle. Now this will be not on this next point. Now see, keep the compass and see, not this point, next point you will be using. Keep the compass and see, not this point, this next one, second one you have to take. Now we did this one, we will take second one. We did. Now not this one we will be taking. See, if you keep it on this, the circle is already made. That's why I'm telling you to take the second one. Second one means there is no line over here, so you need to make that circle over there. So like that. Now again, this was the one. Leave this and next one. This one was the one we took, and next one, 2, second one. One, 2. One, 2. One, 2. One, 2. So this is the last circle. Now if you go for the second one, from here you will see that this line is drawn already, like 1, 2. This is drawn already, no need of a. So this there is a like uniform design. Now rub the inner circle. No need of that circle here. And those lines also you need to rub it off. Now you will have a clean grid like this. Okay, now we will fill. Basically the grid is same for all the patterns, but different designs will give different look. Okay, these are the 3 designs. So we'll see. I'll show you first how to do this one. So the grid, I just enlarged it so that you can see it properly. So what we are going to do is this design. For that you will use pen directly, not with pencil, because this is small designs and it will be very hard for you to draw it with the pencil and then later on with the pen, and it will be like more time consuming. So you can, these are very simple designs, so you just go directly with the pen. If you need to practice, you just make like practice on a rough paper and go directly with the pen. If you have a thinner pen, you can use a thinner pen. This is 0.5, or you can use the Uniball, the normal one, fine or micro, whatever it is, you can use it. So I'm using here the thinner one. So for this, this is the normal type. This is little bit wider, this is longer, like that. So the normal square box is in the middle. I will start from there and show you how to make it. Just make a loop and go around it. This is thicker, more thinner pens are there. $1 is there. I drew that design with 0.1, so you can make it with thinner one also. So make as much as possible loops. Okay. Yes. Now the rest part you will be coloring it dark black. Just fill it off with the black. When you go down, it will be more longer type. No problem. Do the same. This is really a good exercise for you all to draw curved lines. This will give a flexibility to your hand. See the difference, you can see this is thin, this is thick. That is the difference. So if you want it thin, if you have thin, you can go for thin lines. If you have only thick, no problem. Continue with the thicker one only. So the loops you will make it, and then little space you need for coloring it completely black. So this one you will do like that throughout the paper. I mean the whole sheet, whole space will be covered with the same design. You don't want like more black, just some space only needed to be blacked out. So see that and then leave it and color it. That much part you can draw the curve. If your curve goes wiggly and all, no problem. Overall it will not be seen. Or you can, if you don't want this black, you can leave it completely with the arch like this. Here I didn't do any black, I have done like completely with the arch only. So you can do it that way also. And now this way you will be completely filling it off. I'm showing all the shapes, see. Like that. That is this one. For next this design, what you will have to do is, I'll show you. Draw a square inside this. This is a little bit complicated, not complicated, and say like more designs are there, so it will like more time consuming, it might be. Now rest of this petal side, like empty spaces no inside the box, you will be coloring it. Okay, like that. Now for this again, draw a box inside, draw a circle in the middle. It will be better like you draw all 4 petals towards the corner and like 2 in between those petals. Now fill the rest of the space with black filling. Like that. Again here also. So you can understand this, and it will be hard in between, so you can use this line and then color it here, or you can come up with some creative idea how to, or what you do when you draw the circle. If you make it with a pencil first, if you have that much patience, you can do with the pencil first and rub off this part only, like just leave that part like this, rub off, and then you will be having an empty space in the middle like this. This is like, first you have to draw the complete circle with a pencil, then decide where till where, like how many squares you need to skip from here, and that you rub it off, and then you rest you draw with the, again you have to use compass with the black pen and then draw it, then only the lines will be proper. Like that you can do it. Or you can just fill this petals, this shape itself in this way. Here it is a small one, like that you can do. See, like in the middle like this also you can do. So this petal, I mean this flower thing, we will draw here till here. I'll show you. It's all the same only, but the elongation is different. There it is lengthwise, here it is widthwise. That's the only difference. Now fill it completely. I mean, inside the box only you will be filling. See, like you will leave that space around, and that white space will add beauty to the design. This is a type of mandala only. It's a repetition of one particular design throughout. Here also you need to make it like that. Okay, now we will move to the other one, that is this one. This is also a simple design. One big loop we will make in the middle, and then we will make another small one, more smaller one, more smaller one. Like that on both the sides you will make it, and rest on the top you will be coloring it in black. Okay. all the same only. I'm just showing that it will not be like doubtful for you to how to do it such a small space, how to squeeze in, will it be tough, should we do it and all. So I'm just doing it and showing it to you. Just do it in that way. Here it is more smaller in the middle but longer at the sides. Like that. Here also you can do as I said before, no, like fill it with color, this one, or you can rub it off and make it in a different way. Now comes the shading part, which gives this a layered look. For that, what you have to do is take a black color pencil and go lightly near to the line. I'll show you on an empty box. Here, this part you will not do, only in this part inside this you will do, that is like this, not too dark also, very lightly you have to do it. See, when you do it on the design, see, like this it will be. Okay, on both the sides you need to do, don't do it on the top, inside here, it will be towards outside. So, everything it will be on the one over like one side. Like this shading will be done. See what I did? Only shading on this part. Here, like that, not down, towards up it will be shaded. That way you will do. Here also you can see that will give a layered look. Okay? So if you understood everything, any doubt you can contact me. Have a nice day.